Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on July 21st, 2024. So today is quite a damp evening in many areas, with the rain heaviest in the north. So we're seeing that on the UKV, and tonight that rain will slowly clear eastwards, and through the night we'll see some clearer spells coming in there from the west, but still staying quite cloudy even till morning time. So in the morning we'll see a few showers breaking out in the north and northeast. Otherwise it'll be dry but rather cloudy, with only a few bright spells, these mainly in the east. And through the afternoon we'll see this band of rain coming in from the west. Now that will turn heavier through the evening and turn into more like a area of showers, heavy showers with risk of a few storms in there, especially in the evening through the Midlands and the east. As those clear through overnight into Tuesday, we see clearer skies coming in there from the north. So through Tuesday, we see the best of the sunshine in Ulster, and it's cloudier elsewhere. But still, in all areas, there'll be some sunshine at times. And through the afternoon, we'll see a veil of high cloud coming in, so sunshine turning hazier through the day. Through the evening, we see quite cloudy skies, and any sunshine will be hazy and limited. Into Wednesday, we start off with some clear skies in the east, but through the day we see some cloud and patchy rain coming in there from the west. That clears through into Thursday, by which point we see it starts off on Thursday being quite cloudy and misty, but through towards the evening, the sun breaks through and some showers do actually come as well, and these mainly quite light and scattered. Into Friday, we're into a fresher air mass from the west. Therefore, we start off quite sunny on Friday. Before into the afternoon, we see heavy showers breaking out quite widely, especially in the eastern Midlands. So looking at our temperature forecasts for the next 5 days, up to Friday basically. So through tonight we'll see quite a mild night thanks to all that clouds, mild and muggy nights with lows of around 13 to 15 Celsius. Into tomorrow, Monday. On Monday it should be quite a mild and humid day with highs of 16 to 21 Celsius, coolest in the west and north on the coast especially, and warmest in the east. Into Tuesday, Tuesday's lows get a bit cooler in Ulster, where skies are clearer, but elsewhere between about 10 and 14, where it's still cloudy. Into Tuesday itself, Tuesday is getting quite a warm day, with highs of about 17 to 21 Celsius, warmest in the southeast Midlands there. Into Tuesday night, Wednesday morning starts off a bit cooler, with lows of around 12 to 15 Celsius, but still a very mild night. And parts of Dublin could stay at about like 16 Celsius with all the urban heating. Into Wednesday, we see highs of around 15 to 21 Celsius. Really dependent on where you are. Like in the south, we'll see clouds and the wind freshening up, so getting cooler there, especially in like Cork. Whereas in the east, where it's sunniest for longest, it will stay warmer. Also, for the UK, it's quite warm as well, towards the mid-20s. Into Thursday morning. Thursday starts off mild with lows of around 13 to 16 Celsius, so that's actually quite a muggy night. Into Thursday itself, highs will reach around 17 to 20 Celsius. That's a warm day. Which is Friday. Friday we're into a cooler MS with lows of 9 to 12 in the morning, and afternoon highs of only about 15 to 19 Celsius. So Monday to Thursday, we're in quite a muggy air mass. It's still westerly, but it's muggy. So we're into like the high teens and low 20s. Low 20s most likely in the eastern Midlands. And but by Friday, we see temperatures back towards the mid-teens, towards high teens. Back to what we've seen as a lot of so far this summer. But either way, I think we've got a warmer spell coming up now. So here is the NAO index observed and forecasted. So we're currently quite wiki positive with the index. It will shoot up towards some quite strongly positive levels. It's actually towards the end of the week, and I'll show you why. And it stays quite strongly to moderate positive into the end of July, start of August. But it does level off into early August. But there is quite a good reason for this strong positivity of the NAO, and I will explain it for now. If you've got a strong NAO, you generally have in the summer the Azores High ridging into Western Europe a lot, and that does bring Western Europe the heat waves, the dry and warm spells, and so on. But if you've got a negative NAO in summertime, it means that you've got the Azores High away from us, and instead you've got the jet stream closer to us, and the low pressures are over us, and blocking to our north, and that keeps the lows over us, and we see a cool and wet sort of spell. Yes, but strangely enough, this summer has been cool and wet so far, but the NAO has been quite positive, especially through the late June. Well, to be fair, late June did have a warmer spell, and like early to mid-July, but that was more of a westerly cooler spell. There's also which was close by, but not close enough to bring us influence properly. But this spell of positive NAO is the next area of interest. Okay, so I'll show you why with the latest GFS run and the ECM, GEM, UK Met run, Icon and Arpege. So what we see here is that on tomorrow Monday, we see this low coming through, bringing in some more showers, some heavy at times. Into Tuesday, on Tuesday we see a brief ridge coming through. That's a transient ridge. Tuesday, Wednesday are drier days, especially Wednesday morning. I don't want that. God. Okay, so into Thursday though, that is flattened off by this next low, bringing more rain and showers. Friday's got a showery day, quite a cool day too, with westerly winds. Into the weekend though, Saturday, we're still quite cool and showery. But by Sunday, look at that ridge building up from the south, and then by next Monday, it is properly building over us. And next Monday will be a very nice day, it seems. Next Tuesday, it's still there. And that is a warm ridge too. Next Wednesday, why does it keep... It's getting annoying now. These ads. Next Wednesday is still warm and dry. Next Thursday, we're still warm and dry, but getting a bit more westerly. But even still, like next week, as in, like, you know, next week, not tomorrow week, you know. That is a warm and dry week from start to end. Now into next weekend, we see more of a westerly influence then properly. It's still quite warm, but we're seeing a lot more clouds. And by Monday, August 5th, we're into that deep low towards the north. I don't know what's wrong with this website anymore. But even so, next Tuesday, the following Tuesday, August 6th, by God, is also again showing signs of ridging, but again, that is a long way off. And we still don't know if next week's heat wave will verify. Not heat wave, but finally, warm and dry spell will come off. So here is the ECM. The ECM, again, tomorrow is a showery day, and Tuesday is a dry day, but that ridge is flattened off on Wednesday and Thursday, with more cloud and rain coming through. Friday is cool and showery, so is Saturday to some extent, but towards Saturday evening, we do see that high ridging in, and by Sunday, that high is building in properly, so Sunday is the first day of the warm weather, and dry weather too, and by Monday, Tuesday, that high is to our east, and around that we bring up the wind from the southeast, so that would be a very warm spell. Upper temperatures aren't too warm or hot, but you know, I think that could easily get temperatures towards the low to mid-20s with some widespread sunshine. That high keeps going through Tuesday 30th and into the end of July, start of August. It's still going. But it is by the end of July a bit threatened by that low. But even still, that is a good run of like 4 days of proper summer. Here is the GEM. So GEM is coming through into this low through Monday, bringing a few showers, some heavy times in the evening. Those have to be watched, obviously. By the way, speaking tomorrow, get my teeth pulled out. Just a side note. Into Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday has that ridge coming through. Wednesday has that flattened off, and into Thursday, Friday. Again, we see more showers and rain with that, and cooler as well by Friday and Saturday. Let's see what happens into Sunday. So Sunday, once again, but even by Sunday on the GEM, that ridge comes in properly, and we see A warm and dry day really by then. And next Monday, again, the wind's coming in there actually from the south. With the GEM, the highs a bit towards the east, so we're not entirely settled, but we are warmer. It seems like there's a deep low to our north towards Iceland. Now that is our typical Atlantic low, but there is a heat low to our south towards Iberia. Let's see. So we do see that thundery low coming northwards into Tuesday 30th into the UK. Into beyond that though, even by the end of July, the GEM has that low coming through from the west. So GEM is not so successful. It brings like 2 days of summer weather before it kind of breaks down by the last day of July. Here is the UK Met run. UK Met again tomorrow brings heavy showers into Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday is dry day and warmer day as well. Wednesday sees westerly winds and rainbow evening. Thursday is quite showery. So is Friday and Saturday, cooler then as well. Let's see what happens on Sunday. So on Sunday, as also high tries to ridge in, but is ridging into our south. So it's still westerly, kind of a Sunday. Let's look at cloud cover. Yes, we're still quite cloudy next Sunday with that Atlantic flow, that long fetch southwesterly wind. So GEM and UK Met are kind of not there. GEM is okay enough. It brings 2 days, but UK Met run, we get that high has to come a bit further northwards to get the proper sun going. Here is the icon. So the icon brings that low through tomorrow, bringing through showers. Tuesday gets that transient ridge through. So Tuesday's quite a nice day. That is for sure. Wednesday we start off nice, but we go into a cloudier end of the day and damp as well. Thursday is showery. Friday, Saturday, cool and showery. Some heavy ones in there. Sunday, even by Sunday, the high isn't really coming in properly, so quite showery. But into next Monday, that high builds in properly. And I think that the icon is going for a good week or so. I don't know, but that high looks quite strong unless that low comes through. But I think that guarantees at least about 3 days of summer weather, like proper summer. I forgot to get. I don't know why I did this. I forgot to get the arpeggio done. Jesus Christ. Anyway, the arpeggio is last but not least. Again, so the unfortunately you can't get that far out. The arpeggio is going for again that trough of low pressure tomorrow, bringing a few showers to the east, especially. Tuesday is a dry and warmer day. Wednesday is warm and humid and cloudier and damp in the evening. Thursday we see quite dry day, but a few showers around. But Friday, possibly a few more showers on that westerly cool flow. And then it's that high there that will gradually, possibly, edge northwards into the weekend. So let's see some ensemble members looking at the GFS put in Dublin. There we go. That is for Ireland. Yeah, it is. And here are the ensemble members. So basically, GFS has 30 different ensemble members. Those are different runs. That it does different models, basically different chart predictions, and you have the main run, which is the operational run. That is the one we just saw. That is shown by the thick green line, which is along here on the graph. As you can see, the thick green line shows some quite high temperatures in the upper air level into the end of July, start of August. But many of the ensemble members go for lower temperatures. But if you look at sea level pressure, the graph, you can see a lot of the ensembles do have quite a big raise in that. It's quite a steady rise as well. So we're possibly going for a spell of higher pressure towards the end of July. That is quite well supported, but the GFS operational run is at the higher end of the range. I'll say that. The 6Z run, again, the GFS operational run was a higher outlier there, but the midnight run, they were all sort of the same. Yeah, so we'll just have to wait and see, but there is a general bump around here. That's what we're watching for some weather. Anyway, everyone, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in the morning if I can, because I'm getting my teeth pulled out. Bye for now.